inches below the normal amount of 0.42 inches for July. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 24.05 inches, which is 1.87 inches above normal. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. The receiver and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings.
And you didn't activate it.
WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, July 5th.
It would have been a perfect activation if you went off. Dang, and then the stupid 259 there. That gun reception, bro.
The normal low is 69.
You didn't go off for 1050, but I don't care.
Which was set in 1933. The average temperature was 84, which was 4 degrees above normal. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at